Hi, good evening all. Welcome to my channel. This is Dr. Thulasi, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Vignan Sneruda Institute of Technology and Sciences for Women. Today, coming to the Big Data Computing, Assignment 6. So, coming to the first question. Which of the following tasks can be best solved using clustering? The answer is detecting fraudulent credit card transactions. Coming to the second question. Identify the correct statement in context of regressive model of machine learning. The options are: regressive model organizes similar item in your dataset into groups. Regressive models predicts a numeric value instead of category. Regressive models comes up with a set of rules to capture associations between items or events. None of the mentioned. The answer is regressive model predicts a numeric value instead of category. Coming to the third question. Dash refers to a model that can neither model the training data nor generalize to new data. The options are good fitting, overfitting, underfitting, all of the mentioned. The answer is underfitting. Coming to the fourth question, which of the following is required? K means clustering. The options are define distance metric, number of clusters, initial guess as to cluster centroids, all of the mentioned. The answer is all of the mentioned. Coming to the fifth question. Imagine you are working on a project which is a binary classification problem. You trained a model on training dataset and get the below confusion matrix on validation dataset. So coming to the confusion matrix, n is equal to 165, predicted is equal to no, predicted is equal to yes, actual no, actual yes. So no, it is 50, no, yes, it is 10, yes, no, 5, yes, it is 100. It means if the actual value is no and prediction is no, that is 50. So this is how you need to read the confusion matrix. Based on the above confusion matrix, choose which options below will give you correct predictions. Accuracy is negation of 0.91, misclassification rate is negation 0.91, false positive rate is negation 0.95, true positive value is negation 0.95, and the option is 1 and 2. Accuracy is negation 0.91, true positive rate is negation 0.95. Identify the correct method for choosing the value k in K-means algorithm. And the options are dimensionality reduction, elbow method, both dimensionality reduction and elbow method. The answer is both dimensionality reduction and elbow method. There is one more option, data partitioning also, but the correct option is both the dimensionality reduction and elbow method. Coming to the seventh question, true or false? If your model has very low training error but high generalization error, then it is overfitting. It is true. Coming to the eighth question, identify the correct statements in the context of overfitting in decision trees. Statement 1. The idea of post-pruning is to grow a tree to its maximum size and then remove the node using the top-bottom approach. Statement 2. The idea of pre-pruning is stop tree induction before a full-grown tree is built. That perfectly fits the training data. So only the statement 2 is true. Ninth question, which of the following options are true for k-fold cross-validation? So coming to the statements, increase in k will result in higher time required to cross-validate the result. Second option, higher values of k will result in higher confidence on the cross-validation results as compared to the lower value of k. Third, if k is equal to n, then it is called leave one out cross-validation, where n is the number of observations. So all the 3, 1, 2, 3 is the correct answer. Identify the correct statements in the context of machine learning approaches. Statement 1. In supervised approaches, the target that the model is predicting is unknown or unavailable. That means that you have unlabeled data. Statement 2. In unsupervised approaches, the target, which is what the model is predicting, is provided. This is referred to having a labeled data because the target is labeled for every sample that you have in your data set. So both statements are false because for supervised approaches, The down statement is true. For unsupervised, above statement is true. So both statements are false. Now you can submit your answers. And this is regarding the assignment 6. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.